Hello everyone, welcome to DSA Code Trainer. Well, today we're going to see how to solve a string problem that is called reverse a substring. Well, basically in this problem they are asking us to find a substring in which that if we reverse this substring we can get a string that is lexicographically less than our original string. So they're going to give us the size of the string n, and they are going to give us the string. And if this is possible, we have to print yes and the range of this substring, and otherwise we have to print no. Well, basically in this first test case, they are telling us that we can select the substring from 2 to the character 5, and we can reverse it, and after reverse it we are going to get this string that this string is lexicographically less than our original string, and they are telling us that if there are multiple answers we can print any. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So let's go to the whiteboard. Okay, so basically what we have to do is that we have to get any substring. Let's remember that a substring it's like putting the string in a range. So we have the, for example, this is a substring, this is a substring, and so on. So basically here what they are telling us is that we have to find a string that is strictly less than this string. So we know that in case that we have a string that is sorted, for example this, we cannot satisfy this condition, because if we try to reverse any of these, we are going to get an equal or a greater string. So when it's sorted, we know that this is not possible. Well, in order to solve this, what we can do is that for each character we are going to find a character that is less than our character. So for example A, we don't have a character that is lower than A, so from here we cannot. The B, we found the A, so from here if we reverse this substring we know that we are going to get a lower substring, well, a lower string. So what we have to do is that we have to get a character that is lower than our character, and we are going to reverse it, because at the end we are going to be like switching the positions, and that is how we are going to get a lower string. So this is going to take us n squared, but we can do is that we can sort our string. For example here this is our original string and we are going to sort it. So it's going to be AAAABB, and let's see that these are our indexes, and after sorting them we are going to know that the index of the original, so this is 5, this is 7, this is 2, and this is 6. So what we have to do is that if we find a character that is different, we know that our solution is going to be this index and this index, or the one that it's corresponding to the character that is different. For example here A and A are equal, so this is not an answer. B and A are equal, so we can print 2 and 3, and let's see that if we reverse it we get a smaller lexicographically string. For example here we know that these are equal, so we cannot, and for example here we know that we have C and A, so we can also do 4 and 7. So also if we reverse this substring we're going to get a smaller, and so on. So basically what we have to do is that after sorting, if we find a character that is in different position, we know that our solution is the original index and the index after sorted. Well, after sorting. And if we don't find difference, we know that our answer is going to be no. So let's see how we can code it. So I'm going to use C++. Well, basically they are going to give us the length. So let me read the end and let me read the string. So we're going to iterate over this string and we are going to add the character in the original position. So I'm going to use a pair and let me call it as string. So what we're going to do is just push back our character and our index, and then we are just going to sort this. The sort is going to give us the array in ascending, and then we are just going to iterate again over the string, and what we are going to do is to check if our original character is different to our character after we sort, and if this different, we're going just to print yes. We just jump and we are going to print our I plus 1 because it's one indexed, and our second plus 1, and here we're going to terminate the program, and otherwise we're going to print no. So let's see if this works. Okay, it's this. And this is str. So now let's check with the other. So now let's submit the code. So if you have any question, please feel free to comment. Thank you.